The Food and Drug Administration says the supersized warning images must be displayed on cigarette packages and in advertisements no later than September of next year. Margaret Hamburg is the FDA's commissioner.
These graphic warning labels are really intended to reach a wide range of smokers and potential smokers.
The warnings represent one of the most significant changes in cigarette labels in more than 25 years. There are 9 different photos, including rotting teeth and an autopsied body, and they will cover the upper half of both sides of the pack. Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius says they will be the toughest and most effective messages about tobacco dangers ever.
With these warnings, every person who picks up a pack of cigarettes is going to know exactly what risks they're taking.
Smoking rates in the United States have declined significantly since the 1960s. But the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says 46 million Americans, 1 in 5, still smoke. And about 443,000 Americans die each year of tobacco-related illnesses. The CDC says smoking is responsible for 90% of all lung cancer deaths in men and 80% among women. Dr. Thomas Frieden, director of the CDC, says the multi-billion-dollar U.S. tobacco industry is always looking for new markets, and it is turning its attention overseas.
In countries of Africa where smoking is not prevalent, they see the potential of increasing smoking rates, and in countries like China where smoking remains prevalent, they'd like to maintain smoking rate.
Health experts say that graphic images and warnings can counter the impression that smoking is glamorous or cool. Studies have shown that similar campaigns have significantly lowered tobacco use in Uruguay, Brazil, Canada, and Australia.
Experience from a variety of countries around the world shows that with political will and focused action, we can save more than 100 million lives over the coming decades.
In a statement to the FDA, tobacco companies opposed the new warnings, arguing that the mandate violates their constitutional right to free speech. And they say that by requiring them to cover half their packaging with the graphic images, the government is not warning consumers about the risks of smoking, but telling them not to buy or use the product. Vidushi, Sinha, VOA News, Washington.